Today, the 25th of March 2022, the MDC of Mawlai TEIBOR PATHAW formally joined the National People's Party NPP and plans to contest in the upcoming general elections to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly as a candidate of the party from Mawlai constituency. TEIBOR PATHAW was welcomed by the National President of the NPP, who is also the State Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA, in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG, who is also the party Vice President, Cabinet Minister SNIAWBHALAng DHAR and members of the party besides others.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
CONRAD SANGMA, while welcoming TEIBOR PATHAW, said that the party is holding a double celebration as the day happens to also be the birthday of the new entrant into the NPP family. The Chief Minister also welcomed PATHAW and his supporters to the family of the NPP. He further said that TEIBOR PATHAW is a representative of the people who has raised issues concerning the people of his constituency, while at the same time ensuring that the confidence that the people have in him is not betrayed.
But coming to the serious point, TEIBOR is a person who all of you know. From the grassroots level to important issues that affected the state. But TEIBOR PATHAW has been a man and a public representative who has taken up the responsibility for the people of Mawlai, be it the day-to-day issues that affect the people of Mawlai, or be it important issues like law and order issues that we have. But TEIBOR PATHAW has been somebody who has ensured that the confidence that the people of Mawlai have put on him, he would not let the people down. And I take this opportunity to thank him, to thank his supporters for always keeping the people in front and always not going by politics, but by ensuring that the issues of the people were always addressed. And that is the true sign of a leader. We are all politicians, and we will play our politics. But while we play our politics, we must realize that we are here to serve you, serve the people. And sometimes the service to the people must overtake and must be above all kind of politics that we play. That is the sign of a leader. And PATHAW has always exemplified this characteristic in him. Election is not far away. Don't think it's 1 year away. Think that it's only 300 days away. Every day matters. And I keep telling our party leaders all the time that when you go into election mode, remember there are only two ways to think about election. First way is you think you are winning. And the second way is you think you're losing. When you think you're winning, then you already have a complacent mind. Small pressure comes and you run away. I don't want to meet that person. I'm too tired. Because you think you're already winning. But when you think you're losing, then there's a very important factor that comes into your mind. And I say it's one of the most important factors in politics and election. And that's called fear. Fear of losing. So I want each of the party leaders of TEIBOR and all NPP people to work in election with the fear mode, not with an easy mode. You have to think that you are losing and work to the end in that mindset of losing, because that's when you will go the extra mile. And election is not easy.